Hello students, a very good morning to all my dear students. Today I'm going to start a poem for class 7, the second chapter of our book. The name of the poem is The Bangle Seller. First I will recite the poem and then I will give you um, a short note on the poetess, about her life and all the activities she has done. The summary will be given in next class, as the poem is very long, a very long poem. Not very long, but it has 4 stanzas and it will take some time to understand. So for the time being, the recitation of the poem, and we will know about the poetess. Let's start then. The Bangle Seller, written by Sarojini Naidu. Bangle sellers are we who bear our shining loads to the temple fair. Who will buy these delicate, bright, rainbow-tinted circles of light? Lustrous tokens of radiant lives for happy daughters and happy wives. Some are made for a maiden's wrist, silver and blue as the mountain mist. Some are flushed like the birds that dream on the tranquil brow of a woodland stream. Some are aglow with the bloom that cleaves to the limpid glory of newborn leaves. Next stanza, as it comes. Some are like fields of sunlit corn, meet for a bride on her bridal morn. Some like the flame of a marriage fire, or rich with the hue of her heart's desire, tinkling, luminous, tender and clear, like her bridal laughter and bridal tear. Some are purple and gold flaked grey, for she who has journeyed through life midway, whose hands have cherished, whose love has blessed, and cradle fair sons on her faithful breast, and serves her household in fruitful pride, and worship the gods at her husband's side. So here in the poem, the poetess has said different sorts of bangle for different sorts of ladies or girls, daughters and wives. In different stages, in different ways, different color bangles are used. Here, the bangle seller is selling all the bangles in the temple fair. It's just a few lines I have said about the poem, but the entire summary will be given in the next lesson. And now I will start giving you a short note of the poetess. We will know about Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu was born on 13 February 1879 in Hyderabad, in India, and she began her writing at the age of 12. His first collection of poems, which was published, the name of it was The Golden Threshold, and it was published when she was 26 years old. We will be glad to know that she is known as the Nightingale of India. She was an activist in the Indian struggle for independence, and she served as the president of the Indian National Congress. So she has done many activities, we can see. She was not only a writer, not only a poetess, she was an activist in the struggle for independence, and she was the president of Indian National Congress as well. She was also the first woman to become governor of an Indian state, first woman who had become the governor of an Indian state. This poem is written from the perspective of the bangle seller who come to sell bangles at temple fairs. So, she has written this poem, the said poem, with the perspective of the bangle seller. The seller describes, as I said, the many hued bangles that they have brought and their significance in the lives of women of different ages. Different sorts of bangles, different hued bangles, hue means color, are significantly displayed here for different women of different ages. So this is all about a very short note of the poem and a very short note on Sarojini Naidu. Then you will be given the summary as well as some task to do. Till then, do this work and enjoy the poem. Good day.